Destiny's Triple-X Chlorinated Rubber-based paint is a single-component, fast-drying, colorful, and tough rubbery coating, which makes it perfect for factories, shops, basketball and tennis courts, walkways, as a top coat for swimming pools, roof decks and terraces, and even boat decks. Here's how to apply it. For best application results, Triple-X must be properly applied on a primed surface, which is why it is best when combined with an excellent primer like Epo-Prime. Epo-Prime forms a water-impenetrable and chemical-resistant barrier on masonry surfaces. This protects the top coats from the alkali coming from within the concrete pores and cracks, and makes top coats stay looking new longer. And for a truly complete waterproofing solution, combine the sealing power of Epo-Prime with the elastomeric membrane properties of Liquid Bond. Liquid Bond, when combined with Portland or white cement, cures and dries to a flexible elastomeric membrane that seals all pores and covers cracks on concrete and masonry surfaces. With the natural movement of the building over time, Liquid Bond will not crack, providing a perfect waterproofing seal for your homes or buildings. Mix Triple-X well before using. Apply by brush, roller, or low-pressure spray. Allow for 30 minutes to 1 hour drying time before applying a second coat. Finished. One 4-liter can of Triple-X will cover between 15 to 20 square meters.